Moon robots test their skills on Italy's Etna Volcano, operate in heterogeneous teams. Robots complement and support each other with their different abilities with adorable stereo camera eyes. Lightweight Rover Unit 1, LRU-1, robot, posing on the black pebbles of Italy's Mount Etna, resembles the famous animated character Pixar WALL-E. LRU-1 is one of a team of eye-catching robots designed by German engineers who recently completed trials on the slopes of Europe's most active moon-like volcano. The robots, developed by the German Aerospace Center (DLR), spent the last week of June demonstrating their ability to move and navigate challenging landscapes with minimal human guidance. LRU-1, the scientist of the robot team, analyzes the lunar-like soil with his camera, assisted by his brother, the lightweight rover Unit 2, LRU-2. LRU-2, equipped with a robotic arm and arm, can capture rock the size of a baseball and provide tactile feedback, nearly allowing scientists to sense moonstones from a distance. The rover can also determine the chemical composition of the collected samples using its laser spectroscope, an instrument that shines a laser beam onto a surface and detects how the surface scatters the light back. A drone named ARDA guides LRU-1 and LRU-2 during their attempt, flying in front of the two and mapping the surrounding terrain. Teams of mobile robots have an important role to play in future space missions, Armin Wedler, project manager at the DLR Institute of Robotics and Mechatronics, said in a statement. Operating in heterogeneous teams, robots complement and support each other with their different abilities. The team tested several robot cooperation scenarios, including one in which the robots deliver rock samples to a simulated lunar lander and one when they are controlled from a simulated space station orbiting the moon. During the demonstration, retired German astronaut Thomas Reiter acted as astronaut scientist from a control room about 14 miles, 23 kilometers, from where the robot was deployed. In another experiment, the robots were tasked with setting up a simulated astronomical observatory on the slopes of Etna, pretending it was the far side of the moon. The robot distributes small low-frequency radio antennas over terrain like the moon, which can be used to detect radio signals from distant galaxies. We have gained a wealth of experience that will help us in the development of future missions, Thomas Kruger, of the European Space Agency's Human-Robot Interaction Laboratory, which is collaborating on the project, said in a statement.